I was gifted these induction protectors, and I'm going to tell you all about how they're going to keep your stovetop protected. But the first thing that we want to know is that this is only for an induction cooktop. If you have a ceramic hob, then this is not going to be for you. So I actually spend some time here in the States, but I also spend some time abroad, and I will primarily be using these abroad. I'm not going to use them here, but I do just want to show you that if your stovetop looks like this, I literally just turned on this front eye and you can see it about to glow red. It's already like really hot that instantly. Then you know this is not going to be for this type of stove, but I'm still going to show you what these look like and how they work. I turned the light off so there wasn't the glare, but as you can see, it's definitely easy to get a lot of like scratches on the surfaces on the top of your stove. And you know, you have this nice stove, you want to keep it as scratch proof as possible. So what's really cool about these covers is, first of all, they come in different sizes. You even have this really big flat one in case you want to, you know, like set it here, or if your stove is different and you just want to set like a larger pan on it, you can do it that way as well. They do get dirty, but you can pop them in the dishwasher, which is super, super nice. And you would much rather these get dirty than your actual stovetop get dirty. Here are the rest of them. They have this like sticky adhesive on them, which is going to be one of the best features because this is why they don't slide around. So whenever you have it setting here, you can see like even when I'm trying to like move it, I cannot. And what's even better about this is that whenever you put a pot on it, and yes, if you have the right stovetop, you can cook with these. You can see here the same thing with the pan. Even like right now, like I'm pushing it, I'm actually having a hard time pushing it, which is a good thing because that means it won't move around as much. So let's say you are cooking with this. It's really easy for you to stir with one hand. I'm going like all the way around the pot. You can see me going like all these different directions and the pot is not moving. And I feel like that's one of the best features is this anti-slip feature here. So this is going to be really great for keeping your stovetop clean, keeping it from scratches. If you're not using these, you can, you know, hang them up somewhere. And then obviously they're super thin and easy to store, so they're not going to take up a lot of storage space.